In Microsoft Publisher, you can easily crop in pictures and get it in the shape you want. In order to do that, you can simply go into Insert, and I'm going to choose a picture right here. So inside a picture, I'm going to choose this one, the edited boat picture, and I'm going to click Insert. Here you can see the picture. So this is in a rectangular format. If I want it in something else, some other format, then I can actually squeeze this in, but that actually squeezes out the picture. Let's say I want to crop the picture, and let me just press Ctrl Z. And over here, if I want to crop it, I can simply press the crop icon right here in the format menu, which comes when you select the picture. So I selected this, I'm going to press crop, and you get the cropping option as you can see. So you can see the handles, I can click and drag, so the picture is cropped. And I can also move this around. As you can see, if I were to click on the background, I can move around the picture to see the part of the picture I want, just like that. So I can move this around, and another one. So if I click outside, it is deselected. Now I can move it around. If I want to change the picture again, I can simply go back to the crop area, just like that, and move the picture just like that. You can also do a fit or a fill. So fit is everything else. Every picture fits onto the area, and fill actually expands it totally. I can also resize it, as you can see, just like that. I can resize and only see the part of the picture which I choose to select, just like that. I can also go over here. You can also crop this to a shape of your choice. So you can go over to the crop menu, this little icon over here, go to crop and select the shape you want. Something like a cube, for example, and you can see that it has been cropped into a cube. Does not really look like it, so I'm going to go over here, select a different shape such as this one right here. So you can see that the picture has been cropped just like this. I can click somewhere outside, and there you go, that's the cropped picture. You can replace it again, or you want to change it, you can simply go into format, and you can choose crop again and move the picture out just like that. Click outside, that's the crop. You can also increase and decrease the height of the picture just like this, and the crop will remain as it is. So you can see that once I resize, the crop remains as it is, does not affect it. And if I want to get back to the original picture, I can simply click on clear crop, and it goes back to the original image. That is, the data is not lost. So that is how you can crop image inside of Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.